We're recording. What's up, guys? Gonna be changing out the the start of this video. I'm gonna be changing out the bulbs on this. So let's get into it. Welcome to today's video. So what I'm gonna do first is set up the ladder so I can reach this light, and I'll pull the light bulbs. Alright, time to get the bulbs out. Just gonna rotate them. Take the first one out. Get the next one out. Oh, this bulb's broken. There we go. Burnt that one out. And the sockets are kind of bent, the pins are kind of bent up a little bit. Let's put this up here for now. Let's get the new light bulbs out. Get a cool daylight. Here's the bulbs. We're showing you how to change a bulb. Let's get this in. I'm just be kicking things while you're doing this. There you go. One in. Daylight bulb. Here's another one. Another cool daylight. The box just fell on the floor. I might just turn it off and on my work. Sometimes you have to flip your switches a little bit. There we go. Job done. Looks amazing. We're done. Done that job. Different color to the one over here, but looks good. Done. Looks good. So, the old bulbs are up here. This one's still a bit warm because it still goes. There's the old bulbs. So, they will get stored up here. Let me pause the video. There we go. Got the light fixed. Bulbs just put up there. The old ones. So this is daylight, that's cool white. Got one more cool white left. But looks good. It's just still warming up. Let's turn it off and on for you guys. Sometimes you have to switch. There we go. Boom. Also, I have fixed another light, not the one I was going to fix today, because I couldn't find a bulb for it, which is down here. Fix this one here. Job done. Do it again. This is the old bulb, this is the new bulb. This is going to go in my room, so. So it looks good. So it's a bit of brightness, a good brightness. This is daylight. It's cool white. I've already said that a couple times. What's wrong with me? I'm gonna go to the bathroom, so I'm back. So what else are we gonna do? Now we've got that light working again. It's a different color. Please don't judge me for my different colored fluorescent bulbs. I just had to get this changed because it was burning out. One side was out, so I just decided to replace both of them. Looks good. Will last another 5 years. Now I have more of a stack of bulbs up here. Bye. Thanks for watching. That was a bit of the display work done. Thanks for watching. Actually, also, from yesterday's vlog, I did the wiring. We did hit the wiring up here. I nailed it up so it will stay up. And this one I didn't get a bulb for it, but I'm going to put it back up where it goes. There we go. Job done. Thanks for watching. Make sure you always stay tuned for more videos. And